Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to fix battery drain issue in Tecno Pova 8. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.